And the inquiry into the case of a double murder will continue in provincial court early next month. The hearing will determine if there's enough evidence to send Joseph Oliver to trial for murders of Dale Worthman and Kimberly Lockyer. NTV's Darren Bent reports.
This past week, Joseph Oliver was in provincial court in St. John's for the beginning of a lengthy preliminary inquiry. It's a hearing that will determine if Mr. Oliver should be sent to trial on murder charges. The prosecution has told the court that it will call for Mr. Oliver to be sent to trial on whatever charges the evidence supports, whether that's an upgraded charge to first-degree murder, remain at second-degree murder, or downgraded to manslaughter. The court also has the option to throw the charges out and dismiss the case. This week, police officers were the first witnesses entering hundreds of photographs into evidence. The case goes back some 14 years. Dale Worthman and Kimberly Lockyer went missing from their St. Philip's home. Nothing was heard from the couple for 13 years. Then information led police to the discovery of their bodies in a wooded area off Thorburn Road on the outskirts of St. John's back in 2006. The couple had been shot to death. A few months later, Joseph Oliver was charged with 2 counts of second-degree murder in connection with their deaths. He remained in custody for 1 year until a Supreme Court judge released him on strict conditions. Since then, the prosecution has gone to the Court of Appeal asking that his release be overturned and that Mr. Oliver be placed back in custody. That matter will be argued in court on May 15th. As for his preliminary inquiry, it is set to resume again on May 5th and will continue at that time for 4 more weeks. After which, the judge hearing the inquiry will determine what charges, if any, Mr. Oliver will be facing at trial. Darren Bent, NTV News.